This is St. Louis Palazzolo TV, connecting skills, stories, and success. Yes, hello everybody. Welcome back to Palazzolo St. Louis TV. Now, last time we were cooking something different, and today we also have another practical, which is in the pastry department. So be ready to, experience the best practical here with our tutor, Mr. Bernard, and our very good student, yes, Mr. Peter. So maybe our tutor tell us, what are we doing today? What are we cooking today?
Welcome back yet again to yet another practical today.
Yes.
Today we're in the pastry department, whereby now we are talking about the baking itself. Now, as many people know, they only know about the cakes, but today we are dealing with the sponge cakes, type of sponge cake. The one we are doing today is the Black Forest, and this Black Forest is one of the cakes that is soft. In the soft sponge cake, we have the Black Forest, the Red Velvet, the White Forest, and the fudge cake. But for today, we are doing the Black Forest.
Guys, you heard him. Leo, we are going for the Black Forest, and I think all of us are ready. I think our student is ready. Myself, I'm ready to experience. And maybe you tell us, Mwalimu, what ingredients do we have here, and where are we beginning?
Then you have the ingredients. You have the main ingredient, which is the flour.
The flour here.
We have the caramel, the black coloring paste for coloring our butter. Then you have the margarine for decoration.
Okay.
We have the baking powder. We have the essence, which is the vanilla essence. We have the eggs. We have sugar, which is crystal sugar.
Yes.
Then we have vermicelli for decoration.
Vermicelli.
Vermicelli for decoration.
Vermicelli.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then we have the icing sugar for decoration. Then at least we have the bicarbonate of soda, just to give our product the right texture that we need in it. Then after that, the only thing that we need to do is now to do the processing part of it. And we start by whipping the eggs. After whipping the eggs, we add the flour. Then after the flour, color the butter. We scoop from the bowl. We put it in our baking tin. Ready to go from the oven for 30 minutes.
Okay, wow. I think maybe we should now start doing it practically so that we begin our journey of Black Forest cake. that has been our process for this sponge cake. It's sponge cake mwalimu.
Sponge cake, Black Forest.
Black Forest sponge cake. We've shown you the process, and now this is 1 kg mwalimu. Yes. So this is our 1 kg Black Forest sponge cake. So we are going to wait. Iwekwe kwa oven. Ikishaiva, we're going to come back. Don't go far. After how long mwalimu?
30 minutes.
Yes, 30 minutes.
Then after 30 minutes, we give it time to cool like 30 minutes.
Yes.
Then we give it the last part of it, which is decoration, using the soft icing milk.
Okay, okay. So we're going to come back after 1 hour. Our cake will be ready for decoration. And guys, if you are new in our channel, make sure you subscribe, you like, and you follow for more and more content here at Palazzolo Technical Vocational Training Institute, because here is the place to be, a place where you get practical skills. We don't just give theory, but we give practical skills. Usiende mbali, we will be right back. We are back with our final product, and after kuwekwa kwa oven na tumeipatia 1 hour, we brought it out, and then we had to do our decoration right here. And guys, you can see how imetokea. It looks very nice. I know it looks as nice, it tastes as nice as it looks like. Maybe we're just gonna dive into it and see if it's exactly how it looks like. You see guys, we don't just come here to tell you that you can make a cake. We do it practically. We show you how to make the cake. Now our Black Forest, the last video that we did, that we were making turmeric rice and wet fry, chicken wet fry, yes. We mentioned of 3 stages of production in catering, where we had the pre-production, where you just like tunaanda kila kitu, the ingredients and everything. Now then we have the actual production. Sasa kama kwa this our case, actual production ya hii cake ni yote imekuwa kipikwa, vinye imetengenezwa yani mpaka ikaweza kupikwa. Then now post production is now where we are right now. Our cake is ready, and you know everything is cleared, just ready for service. So okay. Yeah, so guys, finally tumekatiwa keki hapa, and it's maybe I just want to see if it tastes, if it looks it tastes how it looks. Okay, this is our sponge Black Forest cake, and let's have a bite with you guys. Okay. I'm telling you guys, this tastes so nice. And guys, this tastes so nice, and then I can really attest that it has been cooked very well. And these are the things to do here at Palazzolo. One of them is baking a pastry, and you can see they learn from here and they advance to the next level. Okay, it has been nice. It has been nice being with you. Thank you for this session. Thank you for viewing. And also don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment on all our social media pages. We are at TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and even Facebook to get more content of Palazzolo Technical and of Palazzolo TV. Thank you so much, guys, and for your loyalty as we continue. See you next time with another video, with another banger, and we are so grateful. Till next time, goodbye.
This is St. Louis Palazzolo TV, connecting skills, stories, and success.